Our digital screens emit blue light, an energy wave that contributes to getting eye strain, dry eyes, and even interfering with our sleep, which is very bad. So what I recommend is just turn off the lights when you're going to sleep. But there are many ways you can actually make sure that you can sleep easier and you don't have hurtful eyes and don't disrupt your sleep. To remove eye strain, I recommend you get a background something like this. This color, orange or red, really helps a lot because this wavelength is less straining for our eyes. And it blocks a hormone called melatonin that helps us make sleepy. You know, in the morning when you wake up and there's light in the sky, our brain is getting triggered to have to wake up. And when it's getting darker, you also have that sundown and sunset effect before it's orange. And then we get triggered, we need sleep. So it's darker for our eyes. So I recommend on Windows, just turn on night light very easily. And after you go here, just put it on a schedule. You can put it on set hours, which is what I do because I have to sleep and wake up before the sun gets up and everything, and it's kind of annoying. But I recommend you put it on sunset because it might be a lot better for you. So just turn it on, and I recommend you put it on like 35 maybe, depending on how you like it at night. I would recommend you set this at night and turn off all annoying lights. Well, you can see that I have a light here and I have a light here, and they are both pretty much on the blue spectrum, and it's switching a lot, and that means that it is even triggering my eyes to adapt to the colors and everything. So what you can easily do is you just put it on one simple color. For example, red. Hey Google, turn all lights red. There you go.
The lights to red.
Amazing, right? And I just turn this off, and this is a lot better for my eyes, especially if night light is on. What I also really like to do is to grab water and put an ice cube inside of it, and this way it's still very nice to drink all night long and you don't have any sugar in your body before you can easily sleep. On your phone we also have night light. On Samsung it is called Eye Comfort Shield. Just turn it on, and these are the settings that I have right now. I really don't like adaptive because it doesn't really work when it's instantly dark, and it still has to adapt to when it's more dark. And I sleep before the sun goes down and I get up before the sun gets up, so very annoying. And this is how you get to the setting on your iPhone or iPad. When you have done this, you should be going to sleep way more easily. Just let me know in the comments. I just want to know how you feel about this. I really like it because it strains my eye less, and I don't like any lights in the night. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe so I can make more videos like this. Goodbye.